Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119. Also hardbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have another Ameritron Al-80b. I started working on it. I actually started to diagnose it. Customer said he has no output on 20. He said he uses this on FT8, on CW, and SSB. So FT8 is really hard on amplifiers. You have to go by the manual, really derate the output a lot. Okay, so I tried it on 20 with one of my test tubes. It does have output, but the input estimator is really high. So he may have either damaged the ferrite for the slug-tuned pi input network for that band. The permeability may have changed, or one of the mica caps may be way out of tolerance now. So I'm going to figure that out and fix it. The SO239s had like no grip, so I temporarily bent the clips just for testing purposes, but they will get changed with new ones from max gain systems. Okay, so I'll do everything else I normally do. I have a test tube in there for now, and I will see you guys in a bit. Stay tuned. Moved the board and the two mica caps that were at a tolerance. Also replaced the piece of ferrite. It's a double-sided board. Have to be really careful. So she is good. So I'm going to put it back in and get back to work. See you guys soon. Okay, so we're back with the completed Ameritron Al-80b. Customer wanted a test video on 20 meters. So testing it into my bird attenuator load. Audio hello, 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 hello. 1 kW slug. Audio hello, 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 hello. There's the reflect. Barely moving, barely moving, barely moving. Audio hello, 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 hello. Audio hello, 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 hello. Tit, 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 tit. Audio hello. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so I'll let it cool off and I'll show you the inside. Stay tuned. I said reflect, but this meter is between the transceiver and the amplifier, so be the SWR between the radio and the input circuit when the amplifier is keyed. I just wanted to make sure that was clear. It's not between the output of the amp and the dummy load. Dummy load is flat. Okay, so be right back. Okay, so I'm back with the cover off. Do a quick video so I can go eat dinner and then relax. It is Friday. So I got the test tube in there. He's getting a new Penta tube. So fix the 20 meter input. I grounded the 3/5Z grid connections directly to the chassis with these tabs. The holes are already in the chassis, so why not? Doesn't take long. These nuts are loose most of the time on the top, and if not the top, then the bottom, and sometimes both. So you never want a flaky grid to chassis connection. Tighten up on other hardware, fixed other solder joints. Clean the band switch with deoxygold, input rotary switch with deoxygold, bias / TR relay with deoxygold, change the two SO239s with new ones from max gain systems. And took out the grid overload board. He wanted it out, so I took it out. I've seen them fail, and it's really not needed with a 3/5Z tube. If you have a 36800 or an 8877 or an 811, yes, but not a 3500. So that's about it. If you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I also clean the soft start relay with deoxygold. So check out my websites, amprepairguy.com, also hardbackelectronics.com. And one last thing, I changed the gas discharge tubes at the base of the socket. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday. Time to relax. 73.